Hello and welcome to my first attempt at making a demo for JourneyPal. As you can see here, I've got the map moving really quickly. So I've put up a location and it just shows you text about the location on the map. You can scroll. As you're scrolling, it finds your Wikipedia pages 10 at a time. And then you click on them, it'll load up the additional information, which you can see there. You can get directions, add to a list, you can create a link to it there. You also have a list of the 10 closest locations for which you can add to your profile. It's where the hearts on the right are. It's also called the Add to Profile tab. You can either long press to play the audio over text-to-speech, or you can tap on it to get the same audio you text would for otherwise. The map, it's a roaming audio view, which if you play it, it just plays scrolling through the closest ones you haven't listened to already. And then here's your profile, which you can filter where you've been through country. It's got a list of all the places you've been. You can customize who can see that. I'll touch on that later. We'll go to the settings tab, but you can also comment and rate on each location as well. So this is for sharing information with the fellow travelers and people on JourneyPal. So you have added a comment, so now there's 2 comments there, which anyone who has the correct permission see, and now I've rated it 5 stars as well, which you can do at any location. The following thing is where other users are, so you can find other users. This is my real life profile, so what I use. So you see this picture of me on a train and a list of all the places I've been. So you can see I've been to 29 countries with JourneyPal. So this is Turkey, so you can see the places I went on Turkey. If you're curious, perhaps you're going to Turkey as well and you want to see which places I thought were great. Not that I've actually rated anyone in Turkey recently. Or you could create a conversation around that and, it's valuable information sometimes, I guess. Here are the settings of what you can do. You can change the voice, you can change how fast things are played. Good idea. Open up the available. It's based on your phone provides those settings. So every different phone has different bunch of audio settings, which voices the text speech can play, which I present to you. And you can also change to one of our 9 languages. So JourneyPal is fully functional in 9 different languages. Again, it's based on Wikipedia, so the amount of information and content you get differs by language because they all have their own Wikipedia. So the one on the Chinese perhaps isn't as full as the English, specifically in New York, because there are less Chinese users, but all of them do work worldwide. I've experimented with a few of them. The European ones are typically better, but there's Japanese, Korean, and Chinese as well. So if you want, you can also search by, name. So you can find the Berlin Wall there, which is what I did. Here I am showing you the Russians, what they have got in this area of Germany. So there's heaps of information in the Russian section. That's also really good. And if you want, you can visit the Russian locations. Again, it's all the locations in this tab are very physically close to you so that you can only visit things you're physically being close to. So it's an authentic record of where you have traveled.